Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to remove widgets from the Windows 11 taskbar. Wrong page. Let's try this page. There we go. I had that page up, which you can find at the I over here or in the video description. You can find all these links. You can actually remove it pretty easily, and you just have to go to Personalization taskbar in your settings and uncheck it there. What we're going to do here is give you a couple other options. That is to do it with a registry, or to do it with Group Policy Editor, which kind of puts it in a place where somebody might not be able to re-enable it on you. So one of my favorite ways is the registry files we wrote right here. Download disable widgets. Go here, click download now. When you get the files, you can extract them, as I've already done on my desktop here. And you have two registry files, disable, enable. So we're going to do that. Go ahead, double click disable, click yes, click OK. Now as you can see, it's still there obviously, which means we need to either restart Explorer or reboot. So let's do Task Manager, Control Shift Escape, or Windows key plus X and start Task Manager. Whatever's good for you. As always, if Explorer is open, it'll be up here. If it's closed, it'll be down near the bottom. Look for the yellow folder right there. Makes it easy to spot. Right click, restart. Wait for it. And as you can see, it's gone. I'm going to leave this open to show you that we can put it right back. Here's your enable. Once again, we're going to double click it, and we're going to go yes, yes, OK. Now we're going to restart Explorer again, and it'll be right back somewhere around here. There it is. Widgets. It's back. There you go. Piece of cake. So, of course, there are other options. Advanced users can open a registry file and make the changes themselves. It requires a new key. If I memory serves, I think a new key, then a D word. So it's a lot easier to use the registry files. And as you just saw, they work fine. Group Policy Editor. You got to have Windows 10 or 11, I'm sorry, Pro, or you'll have to enable it. This works really well for people. So we're going to open Group Policy Editor with Windows key plus R and do gpedit.msc. And again, if you get not found, then you have Windows 10 Home or something besides Pro. As you can see, we're going to go to Computer Configuration right here. Administrative Templates. Open that up. Windows Components. And of course, Widgets. And we're looking for Allow Widgets right here. It's on by default. Or in the case of Group Policy Editor, most things are not configured by default, which means it's running. In this case, the widgets are there. So your options are enabled or disabled. So I usually would go to disable it. And if I change my mind, I'm going to come back and do not configured. Let's click apply. Let's see if it works right away. I haven't even tried that yet. I don't know if a reboot's needed for that or not. Shouldn't be. Just waiting for the taskbar to load. Yeah, widgets are gone. So once again, back to enabled or preferably the actual Windows default, which is not configured. Click OK. Close that out. Close that out. Restart Explorer. And once again, it should show back up right around here somewhere in just a second. Right there, right? Yep, there you go. So you can do it either way. So there's three different ways you can do it. Registry files, Group Policy Editor, or of course settings. And as always, this is part of the Major Geeks Windows tweaks. We have something around, I don't know what I got in there now, 200 of them. And what's cool about that is there's a lot of things in there that you can't actually do in Windows unless you know how to get into the registry or Group Policy Editor. And some of them are so far buried you wouldn't even know they were options. Really cool stuff in there. So it's been well received. There you go. And there you have it. That's how you disable widgets in Windows 11. Piece of cake. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.